Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another Minecraft video for you. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use NPC, which is a non-player character, and you can use it in your world while you have to tell some important thing or some kind of story to the player who is playing in the world. So first of all, you have to grab the NPC from the inventory by clicking upon E, and then you have to right click on the ground and an NPC will appear. You can spawn multiple of them at the same time, but I'll tell that how you can use one. And then you can right click upon the NPC and then you can add its name. Maybe I want to add it Alex, and then we can even check the appearance, that how do you want the person to look like or the NPC to look like. So I think this one is okay, and then we can edit a dialogue here that hello everyone, I am Alex. So I'll name the NPC as chapter 1, and now let us edit the dialogue by saying hello students, we will learn about the human nervous system. Press the button. Now you would wonder that where is the button? Let me tell you how you can place the button. You have to go on the advanced settings and then you have to click upon add URL. So I'll paste the URL over here about the module, and then we can give the button a name, maybe, and then let's go back and see how it looks like. So it would show human nervous. So if you want that it's going to log, then we can remove the human and only nervous system. And now let's check. Yeah, now it's fine. Then we can place a slate over here. That, or we can put that teleport yourself to this coordinate. I can put co-dot, otherwise it won't fit inside. And then over here I can place the coordinate. So maybe we can put 56 for at 67. Now let us go there /tp @s 56 for add 67, and we'll be teleported here. Now we can place the another NPC here and name it evaluation, and then edit the dialog, and then again advanced settings, add URL. So we can place the URL of the quiz over here, and then here we can write quiz. And now we've put the NPC, so we can again place a slate over here so that the child also likes teleporting. That's why I'm not using the command block here. So /tp @s 78 678. I think that's a bit closer, so we can, or still we can just keep it here only. And then with the slate we can write thank you. So in this way, you can use the NPCs. So let's view the entire one again. /dp @s -5 4 -2, and here I am back. So let me first put my word builder to false. So hello students, today we will learn about the human nervous system. Press this button to learn about it. So here I have pressed the nervous system button, and now as you have seen that it has opened, so one can go through the module, and then after that we can close this, come back here, and now let us teleport ourselves to this coordinate. /dp @s 56 4 and 67. So this is our evaluation. Let's have the quiz by clicking upon this quiz option, and then it will open the quiz, and then you can attempt the quiz. So I hope you like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.